use any ramps coming down. Come on, Swaziland, let's make some noise. Here we go. Oh man, like it was absolutely nothing. He first makes himself dizzy just to make it more interesting. But come on, Bruce, let's drop that back wheel down. Let's drop it on that belly pan. You must remember as well, he's got one artificial hip. So he does not want to drop back off there. But what goes up must come down. And he's going to come down this now. So obviously you can't give too much gas as well, because he'll miss the bottom of the landing ring, and you don't want to flat land a trans bike. The suspension's not strong enough. Also, he cannot see that ramp, so he's just going to really straight off that track, and hopefully he's aligned. Everyone is balancing on top there, waiting for a little love. Come on, something, here we go! Ah, smooth as you like. It's nearly 4 meters high when it's on its stilts. So, I'm going to make my way up top here. Just in case anything goes wrong, I'm going to lunge forward, grab Brent's motorcycle. But this is done in third gear. Lots of revs, lots of power, and obviously a massive jump. And obviously just pull out, flat out, and third gear, stretching that accelerator cable. Goes! Hammers those back brakes, back wheel slams it down. Thanks a lot, guys. You've been brilliant. We've got a couple more shows. Make sure you come around.